Hello! So, you are a new software developer and software programmer, and you are wondering, how can I learn this new programming language? Or you see some new SDK that you want to use, but still you don't know how to use it. So, please let me break it down for you and show you how you can learn a programming language easily from Advanced Software Tutorial. First, make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video and share it with your friends. Now, how we can learn a programming language easily? It's really simple. First, you need to go to the official documentation of the language. Now, the documentation is the part that will talk extensively about the language, its feature and its all capabilities. Now, the documentation can be a little bit boring to read, but it has all the language features. You can go to other tutorial or watch some video on YouTube, but documentation is always king regarding the language itself. Also, it always have some good examples and it go way in depth regarding the language and also show you how to architect it and so on, and even give you samples of code that you can take and practice on. Okay, so make sure you go to the official documentation, which is I think rarely that you will find a programming language no matter what without a official documentation website. Now, the second way to learn a programming language easily is by reading book. Now, maybe you are not a big book reader, I know that, but if you wanna join the IT game and become a top-notch software developer, you need to learn how to read and read a lot of blogs, websites, documentations, and even books. Now, why books? Because books goes a lot in depth regarding a language, like the official documentation. So, the book will cover a lot of things, will show you how to's, will show you real-time examples or real-life examples, and also go above and beyond in more, let's say, more practical example more than the official documentation. Now, sometimes the official documentation just state the language capabilities, but the book show you the capabilities plus how to go more advanced. Okay, and usually books like these days there are many ways to read a book. You have your Kindle, you have your phones, so you can even printed. I prefer printed, old-fashioned guy, but there is different ways to reach for books. Also, many websites out there, I think O'Reilly Safari, provide you with unlimited access to a lot of books, via subscription, which can save you a lot of money. So let's see the third way. We can go and talk with fellow developers. Now, I know many of you who are still starting young and new in the programming world and doesn't know anyone, and they're like, okay, how can I know people or ask people for help that know how to do software development? Now, you can simply go to LinkedIn, okay, and connect with fellow developers and send them online invites and messages, and I guarantee to you 99% of the time they are more than happy and glad to help you and show you the way in a programming language. They usually will tell you what researches to read about and so on, and maybe give you some tips. Okay, so it's really easy to find fellow developers who done the same work that you done, and you can easily work with them to help you learn the language. Also, what I recommend is create a new project online on GitHub with the programming language that you are trying to learn and send it to other people. Hey, please, I've done this programming language, can you please just help me? I've created this small GitHub project and I would like to take your opinion, and I guarantee to you a lot of people are glad and happy to help you. Okay, so don't be shy, go ask other fellow developers. I learned a lot by communicating with others more than any other ways possible, because they usually have hand-on experience, they done it in the real world. Okay, so make sure you talk to fellow developers. Now the last resource I want to list, and usually like I don't recommend this resource for new developers for many reasons, although it's not that bad. Now you can go to online courses like Udemy, you can watch YouTube videos and so on, but online courses tend to be focusing on certain areas of a language, and like many features are cut out. Okay, plus like watching an 18-hour video course, I guarantee to you, is a really hard task to do. It's gonna take you days even maybe months to finish a course. Okay, and like unfortunately not all of the online courses out there cover the entire subjects and the important parts, and that doesn't give you the value that you want. Okay, usually it's just really basic items, basic things. Okay, so make sure you like choose any way you like. Okay, but make sure that you can program effectively with the language. So here you go, here you have it. Here is how you can learn the programming a programming language easily from Advanced Software Tutorials. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, check the description below for a free software developer guide course. So thank you for watching, I'll see you next time.